Next up, a familiar face in the Copenhagen listening room. Give a welcome to low-riding Songbird.
What do I need a guitar for after that? She can do it without it. Yes, thank you. Hi everybody.
Hey, hey.
Buddy. There are not that many people today. But here comes a song called Oh No. And feel free to join me. I'll let you know just about where. It goes like this. Maybe we should have some sound first. Is there sound?
Yes.
Yeah, there is.
Great. By the time you hear this song, I will have moved on to a place I can rightly find my way. I could be wrong, but in this song, there's a voice that no longer blindly will obey. It's okay if you want to ask me questions. But do you even hear a word I have to say? If I say no to your directions, will I still be someone you would want to know? Oh no, oh no, your turn. Oh no, oh no, beautiful. Oh no, you can't ask the blind to see or to be free, but you can choose whoever you will be. You can't teach a fool to read, so don't waste your seed when you know that it'll land on barren ground. I could be wrong, but in this song, there's a voice that no longer blindly will obey. It's okay if you want to ask me questions, but do you even hear a word I have to say? If I say no to your directions, will I still be someone you would want to know? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh. If I say no to your directions, will I still be someone you would want to know? Oh no. That sounded pretty good. I might just invite you all up here. Okay, I write songs in Danish also.